Have you ever wondered how a single individual could manipulate an entire system, causing a ripple effect that shakes the foundations of a nation's corporate sector? Today, we unpack a story that did just that, the Satyam scam. A tale that began in the late 90s, the Satyam Computer Services was a rising star in the Indian IT sector. The man at the helm, Ramalinga Raju, was a respected figure in the industry, steering his company towards success. But behind this facade of success, a storm was brewing. In the early 2000s, a series of questionable acquisitions raised eyebrows, but the company's stellar financial reports quieted the skeptics. Little did anyone know that these figures were a mirage, cleverly crafted by Raju and his accomplices. The year 2009 saw the bubble burst. Ramalinga Raju confessed to manipulating the company's accounts and inflating profits. The magnitude? A staggering 14,000 crore rupees. The confessions sent shockwaves through India, leaving investors and the corporate sector reeling. The aftermath was immediate and severe. The government stepped in, appointing a new board of directors and initiating an investigation that would reveal years of financial irregularities. Inflated revenue, falsified documents, the depth of the deception was startling. Ramalinga Raju and his brother, key players in this corporate drama, were arrested and charged. The fallout from the scam was immense, shaking investor confidence and casting a long shadow over the Indian corporate sector. But from the ashes of this scandal came reform. The Satyam scam underscored the critical importance of transparency and ethical conduct in business. It led to sweeping changes in corporate governance and auditing practices in India, serving as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of unchecked greed and unethical behavior. So, what does the Satyam scam teach us? It highlights the necessity of vigilance in a world where appearances can be deceiving. It underscores the importance of strong regulatory systems to check corporate malfeasance. But perhaps most importantly, it serves as a powerful reminder that the pursuit of wealth, if not tempered by ethics and transparency, can lead to a downfall as dramatic as the rise. The Satyam scam, a dark chapter in the annals of Indian corporate history, is a lesson in integrity, accountability, and the power of truth. It is a testament to the fact that in the world of business, as in life, shortcuts seldom lead to success.